What is up, CJ Nation? We are back at it again with another video. So, I just went to get a cup of juice, and I drank the cup. It's been in my fridge for so long that there's little pieces of ice going in there. You can see those little white things in my cup. See all those little white things? Those are little pieces of ice. And I don't know how long it's been in here for. In the fridge for, but it's obviously been in there for a long time. It's freezing cold. That's my laptop. Listen. If you can hear all those noises, that's the ice. Okay, you guys, so that's just all I wanted to say in this video. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Make sure you hit my post notification button so you know when I post these videos. And make sure to like any other videos I do. So, bye guys. Oh, peace out, homies.